Welcome back to my channel. I am here to give you a simple, easy, beginner friendly little hair tutorial. Y'all, we don't want to take things so serious all the damn time, okay? Y'all, I'm about to run some errands, and this is one of my favorite running errands. Effortless beach. I mean, honestly, I would wear this anytime, anywhere, all seasons, whatever, 24/7, 365. This is one of my go-to styles with this exact texture, which is water wave. So if you want to see how I got this look in under 10 minutes, then keep watching. Y'all know this is one of my favorite go-to hairstyles because just look at the hair. Look at the hair, okay? Only thing I'm gonna do is put some mousse on it just so I can like make everything make sense. I don't want to just go outside and my hair just look, it's like the point is to look crazy, but like on purpose, by accident, effortless, but I kind of put work into it, like, you know, something like that. So I'm just gonna take some mousse. I really could take some water, but I just, should I do water or should I do mousse? I could do both. I really don't want to get my hands too like, you know, messy. I'm gonna spray just like the top layer of the hair with water, and then I'm just gonna mold it with the mousse up top so it's not like too sticky. Y'all, so y'all already know how this go. A typical flip over method with the water wave hair, the perfect combo, perfect vacation combo, perfect running errands combo, because yeah, this is one of my favorite for running errands and just doing calm type of stuff, just lounging around. I like lazy, big, effortless kind of put that, y'all know what I'm trying to say. Okay, this is my type of vibe. So what do we think? This video was probably one of the fastest videos I've ever filmed in my life. Okay, I'm hoping that it at least reaches 8 minutes, y'all. I'm gonna try them now. I don't know, but I'm gonna try. Let me know what y'all think about this look in this video, y'all. Once again, very quick, very beginner friendly. If you do not know how to bleach knots, which I do feel like it's too many videos out there for you to not know at this point, but if you're a beginner and you do not know, the knots on this wig was so small, if you just cover it with makeup, you just might get away with it. You just might get away with it. I also did go in with plucking because I don't care how pre-plucked the hairline is. I'm always gonna go and customize it and make it my own, but the wig was pre-plucked. The wig's density is perfect for beginners, so make sure y'all keep that in mind. Other than that, let me know what y'all think about this look. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Like if you like this video, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from moi, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.